This is the Dancin Snowman die set from Spellbinders. There's 13 different dies in the set, so you can create the snowman image on the front of the packaging, including the little tree and the gift that he's holding. With those dies, there's so many different little bits and pieces. These are perfect for using with cardstock scraps and using up some of those little bits and pieces that we all accumulate. Putting these together is nice and easy. It's fairly intuitive. I did find it very helpful to be using tweezers with the glue for the smaller bits and pieces like the mittens and the skates. It was very easy to know exactly what to go where. The little hole on top of the legs is where you put a foam dot so that that snowman dances, or that those legs swing. You can do this with the arms as well. I didn't have a glue dot that was small enough, but it was nice and easy to do it with the legs, and it was cute to have an interactive feature on your card that was really simple to do. I think anyone could create this interactive feature. You want to make sure that on the rest of your snowman, for the top part at least, you put foam pop dots to leave room for that leg to be swinging and to make sure that that snowman is supported when you create your creation. He looks so cute, and I love the way he turned out.